Hey guys, welcome to my channel. We are going to Port Kembla Beach in Australia. Here you can look at the beautiful roads in Australia. We are going to turn left and we have reached the destination. Wow, it has heaps of parking and I'm going to park it. I found a good spot to park. Off we go. This is the picnic shelter and you can see the beach now. You can see the signboard. It says camping is prohibited here. Now we are going closer to the beach. Now you can see a building on your left and this is Olympic Pool. Olympic Pool is a saltwater pool and the water comes from the ocean through pipes. I'll show you that later. That is at the back of this building. This board says it's proudly supported by NSW Ports. This is another signboard and now we are going to see all these one by one. Restaurant and the public toilets are located on the side of this building. Here we come. Port Kembla Beach is one of the most prestigious beaches in Wollongong, Australia. Look at the sand. It's very beautiful. Actually, it is flowery, fluffy and clean. You can see lots of footprints in all the beaches. This is a very long beach and it's great for long strolls. Look at the beautiful waves. Look around the area. This is the side view of the building where the pool, restaurant and the public toilets are located, and this is the back side of the building, and this is the pipeline which carries water from the ocean to the pool. I'll take you there shortly. Now it's the time to enjoy the beauty of Port Kembla Beach. You can also spot some seagulls here and there. You can spot beautiful pictures on the wall. Port Kembla Beach is great for swimming and surfing, but this is a long rip-dominated surfing beach. These are sign flags. If you are swimming or surfing, definitely you need to stay between the flags at both ends. You can also spot the vehicle and the high sitting area used by the lifeguards to monitor and patrol this beach. You are enjoying with me here at Port Kembla Beach in Australia. Now we are going closer to this area. This is the water which comes out from the pool. And this long pipe lets the water in from the ocean. It's the great spot for crystal clean water. This is a family friendly beach, and this also has a nice snack bar and a licensed restaurant that opens late. It's not a pet friendly beach, but there is no disappointment for pets because it has pet friendly sections that can be used by pets. This beach has great picturesque areas, very clean water and sand. It's fantastic and truly an urban gem. We have almost come to the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel to watch more videos like this. I'll take you all to another great location in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.